Alrighty, another week down, another week to go, baby. I'm pretty sure, yeah, I'm right on track with it today or now with this video. 2 days ago, previous video. Now, I'm gonna dive straight in. In my previous video, my previous analysis, at the end, towards the end of the video, I uh, I gave this bear case. Excuse me. I gave this bear case of reading this internal weekly bear structure right here, right? And I had put this on, and what did I say? I said it's about the price action that we see inside of this level, this zone, or whatever, this weekly snipe zone for sure. But for this to be effective, of what happens in the snipe zone, if this swing to swing, if this is a retracement, price is going to create highs, right? And in this snipe zone, price created this high. This was the previous week high. And then during this week, we pierced that and then end up respecting it. Now, once price respected this previous week low, this is resistance. So now I can see price come down and either respect previous week low and give us a continuation to the upside, or I can see price come on down, um, giving a continuation from this down into these take profit levels, into this weekly snipe zone, right? Price can come down, get to this previous week low, and we can find support because what price is respecting previous week low. Price never disrespected previous week low. After price came up and disrespected previous week high, yeah, we got respect here based on the candle that just closed at 8 o'clock for this week, and now a new weekly candle is being formed. Price, yes, did respect this previous week high, but we will have to come down and get previous week low disrespected in order for to confirm that price is going to give us another expansion to the downside. If price gets to this previous week low and we find or see the price action showing that price is going to continue to the upside from here, then we roll with that. But I'm just saying, I'm just reading these candles, and if we're going to be in depth, you have to be aware of everything that price can do, and understanding that price is creating this bearish price action, this bearish retracement, creating this bearish internal structure. We then know that this is the weekly snipe zone. This is the weekly snipe zone for this move here, or this expansion, retracement. See what type of price action is encountering here, and for the continuation. This is the internal weekly structure. You feel what I'm saying? So, with that being said, what do you do? Scale on down, right? So, what makes me a believer that price is going to come lower. And this is just all about reading the price action. Now, on the daily, hold on, let me get some water real quick. Okay, so on the daily, what were we in? We were in this expansion here, swing to swing, retrace, right? And we entered into the inside of this snipe zone, right? We entered for the buy and got this continuation to the upside. Now, price came into the swing high of this move. You feel me? So with doing so, that this candle here was Saturday. Uh, this candle here initiated the continuation. And what did price print when price triggered or initiated this continuation? We got a doji, long leg doji. Now, granted, price came back down and started trading inside of this candle with that, but when price came into that swing high, we got rejection. And then yesterday, which is still kind of today, but yesterday, as far as the market goes, price closed above the close of this candle, creating this or making this the higher high. It closed above this, right? So we'll be in this expansion, right? But what I'm saying is because this candle here initiated the continuation and we got a rejection, and then the next day came right up to this previous week high and respected it, and now today we are getting this push up above this previous week high, or what was a previous week high. This is the previous week high now, but this was a former previous week high. So now this is just a weekly high, but this has been sustained as resistance because of this move here on this day, right? So with that being said, I'm looking at this as a failed daily higher high, a rejection to the continuation, and because we encountered that, I'm looking for price to, like I said on the showing it on the weekly time frame, looking for price to come down. Now, speaking on price coming down into this previous week low and seeing if price is going to respect it or not, we have what? Triple daily lows here. We got one hit, two hit, and then three hits. Triple lows. What do we call that? A target. Now, looking at what has formed here on the daily, right? If price was going to come down and respect its previous week low, well, we can get a swipe below them lows and then what? A push to the upside, or right? Um, or like I said, uh, or we get that push and we just get a nice flush completely down. It's all, hey, we shall see. It's all about the price action that the market encounters and reading the candles to determine what price is going to do. Because, like I always have said, in order to know what price is doing, you have to know what price did. And to determine what price is going to do, you have to know what price is doing. So, in other words, like I always say, the market is inception, a trend within a trend within a trend. So, if you want to know what price is what I say. If you want to know what price is doing, you have to know what price did, and to determine what price is going to do, you have to know what price is doing. You know what I'm saying? So you have to read the market because it's all based on if price do this, then it's going to do that. If price do this, then it's going to do that. With all of the elements and sentiments and technicals, and again, yeah, in my last video, I said sentimental analysis. I meant fundamental analysis. I meant fundamental analysis. But yeah, I'm trying to tell you, in order to know what price is going to do, you have to know what price is doing. And to determine what price is doing, you have to know what price did. Yeah, there you go. That's how you say it. I haven't said it in a while. Yeah, there you go. Trickle down effect. If you want to know what price is going to do, you have to know what price is doing. And to determine what price is doing, you have to know what price did. So again, reading this price action, swing to swing, retrace, continuation, failed, failed, failed. So I marked it, failed daily higher high, rejected, right? So now we looking for bearish price action here because we got the rejection on this daily, right? So what I'm looking at now, like 8 hour structure is bullish. We're not gonna forget about that. On the 8 hour time frame, we got this swing to swing. We would call this the retracement, and in this one, what price bought. So rating the retracement, right? Swing to swing, retrace, come in here, what into this snipe zone, right? And we'll be looking for price to come on down, right? Now we got this 8 hour snipe zone for this bullish structure move here that price is trading inside of, right? So, like I said, it's all about reading the price action. Now, we know price is going to come down. What will price do when price starts coming down? What type of price action are we going to get with this drop? Are we going to continue to get this corrective price action to where when price get here, we can see price push up to the upside? Now, granted, if price does that, then what? We get this continuation, right? Then what? If we get this continuation to the upside, and based on what we seen on the daily, this is possible. On the 8 hour, completing this move here, swing to swing, retracement, continuation, and then price can get here, and just like on the daily, we got a failed daily higher high. We can get a failed 8 hour higher high. So price can come, initiate this continuation, respect this level, fail, and then can get a drop to the downside, right? It can do that. You know what I mean? Based on the price action that we were encountered on the higher time frame, you base everything off of what happens on the higher time frame, and then on the lower time frames, you look for what you have seen on the higher time frame. So the fact that I've seen rejection to the downside on the higher time frame. Now on my lower time frame, I'm looking for bearish confirmation. I'm looking for bearish moves. You feel me? To confirm the rejection to the downside. You feel me? So that's how we looking at it. Um, Again, man, we shall see. I mean, reading price action just as I should. I'm reading the price action just as I should. I got this swing, retracement. Now, is price going to give this continuation right now and come up and fail and reject and giving a double top and then boom, boom, right? Hey, we shall see. But all I know is I'm looking here for price to sell. Just even without that, just swing to swing, and we get this retracement. You know what I mean? I'm looking for price to come down here, or for price to create what we need to create. A series of highs and lows. You know how it go. You know what I mean? So I'm just reading this price action. I ain't sweating it. You know what I mean? All I know is I'm reading what I'm seeing. I'm analyzing what I'm seeing based on what price has printed. I'm not basing my analysis on what I feel about the market, what I think about the market. I'm basing my analysis on what the market did, what the market printed. Once the market print the candle, that's it. You know what I'm saying? So based on the price action, this is my analysis. And this is my analysis. So remember, pricing, expecting previous week low, targeting previous week high. Uh, but price just right here, respected previous week high, right here. Well, especially with this clause, price came into previous week high, respected it. Then this candle yesterday came up and kissed this previous week high, respected it. And now today has opened and price is pushing up inside this again. We got previous week high here from this puncture, and we just reading price action, baby. Yeah, I say, yeah, that shouldn't even be there. Mhm. So that's what it's looking like, man. That's what it's looking like, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. But again, if price is given, hey, we we gonna read it. You know, we gonna read it. But you heard it here first, man. Snipe go. the candle reading guru. Tell your favorite trader's favorite trader. I'm on the